Hello everybody. In these troubled times, I think we're all taking a bit more time to reflect on things. And there's that phrase, isn't there? Slow down and smell the roses. Well, I've been asking basic questions like, why is the sky blue? Why is grass green? And the answers are, to very simple questions, can be quite profound really. Anyway, this is the first one, which is asking why green is green. And when I think about green, you can't help thinking about the equatorial rainforest, and then the toucan, of course. Toucan's one of my favourite birds. He's just so humorous to look at. Even if you did a very serious, straight portrait of a toucan, it would still look funny. Anyway, here they are, and one is asking the other one, why is green green? And as usual, I've written an accompanying verse. What does green mean? Why are leaves so green? It's really a mystery to me, this strange colouring chemistry. What if it's all about blue light being absorbed that makes green so bright? And the reason green has its emphasis is due to photosynthesis.